At his cozy little office in Chennai, Dinesh Raghav keeps an eye on the workings of Xerox India. It's been close to 7 years now since his company rented out these workspaces. A suite of office rooms that are fast becoming the big innovation in today's office space market. And that's the emergence of serviced workspaces, offices that provide tenants quick and easy workplace solutions, armed with pretty much everything a workplace needs.
It allows us to a low operational cost management perspective. It gives us the flexibility to expand. It gives us the flexibility to operate 24/7. We have good IT connectivity. We have good security from the IT reasons. Anytime I can expand. I can cut down my operations, and Riga support us in running those operations from here.
In Mumbai, serviced offices have become quite a rage. Apart from being a go-to solution for startups and SMEs, such offices provide the ideal setting for flexible working and an address for your business card. At one of its Mumbai centers, Sahil Verma, the COO of Regis, has tracked the growth of the company's India operations for nearly 2 years. The 25-year-old Luxembourg-based firm has taken the serviced office industry to some major Indian cities like Mumbai, Pune and Chennai. And although such offices provide an ideal cost-effective solution for startups, Sahil believes that serviced offices can actually cater to two types of clientele.
So we've seen our offices occupied by entrepreneurs and being used by small medium enterprises, but equally being used by large corporations who want to establish project teams or who want to come and try out doing business in a new country and do not want to invest in setting up an infrastructure. And this is exactly what Twitter has chosen to do with us. They've set up a small office here while they assess the opportunity in the Indian market.
With large unsold inventory in commercial real estate across markets, serviced offices are also being looked at as a solid option to attract tenants. With several companies on a downsizing drive, the emphasis lies in providing a product for this renewed requirement. Such products have also begun seeing a slew of innovations, like these ThinkPods for privacy. And with agencies like Regis ready to bring in the tenants, another winner in this trend is the commercial developer.
Rather than looking for low rental spaces, so either he joins in as a partner or he himself starts up or ties up with any of these agencies. For him, it's a assured income. Plus, these companies, they come in at a very low rental, but on a long-term basis. So it really is a win-win for everybody, I feel.
The biggest USP that such serviced offices come equipped with is simply the fact that their audiences are as eclectic as they get. And that's because from startups to MNCs, the need for quick, easy and ready-to-occupy workplace solutions is one and the same. For all you know, the concept of such plug-and-play offices may soon be the future of our office space markets. With camera person Vinayak Parkar in Mumbai and camera person Ravi in Chennai, this is Jude Sanath for NDTV.